Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to Life of Indian Mom in Singapore. So today I'm making korma mutton korma and kebab. So first we will start from korma. So here I have taken 500 grams of mutton, 2 or 3 times wash properly and then sieve, keep aside. I mix some spices in it like salt as per your taste, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 3 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 2 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoon curd or yogurt, all the things mixed with the mutton for marination and keep it for half an hour. Now turn on the gas and put pressure cooker on it. I added 3 tablespoons of oil in it, and here I sliced around 3 big onion cut into this way. When oil is hot, add the sliced onion in it and now stir it occasionally to make the onion light brown in color. To make the mutton, we need to take the pressure cooker only. Keep stirring to make evenly cooked. Now take out half of the onion before it gets more brown or dark in color and keep aside. Now I'm adding this whole garam masala into the remaining onion, 1 small bay leaf, 2 or 3 black pepper pods and 2 or 3 clove, 2 or 3 small elaichi also, 1 big elaichi or cardamom in the 1 dry red chili and 1 or 2 chakra phool also. Here I am adding the marinated mutton into the oil. Keep stirring for 1 or 2 minutes, first in medium to high flame and then turn the flame to slow and stir occasionally for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, I added 1 big tomato and green chili paste into the mixture. And keep stir again. Now this is some whole garam masala like cinnamon stick, nutmeg, jaifal, javitri in small portion. Mix it with dried onion which we earlier fried and kept aside, and with small amount of cashew nut or kaju. Mixed all the things with little water. Grind it and keep aside. Now here I am adding again 2 teaspoons of curd in the mixture. Stir it properly and after 1 minute add fried onion mixture in the mutton and stir again for 2 to 3 minutes. Now at this stage I am adding 1 glass water in it and close the lid of pressure cooker, waiting for whistle. First medium to high flame 1 whistle and then in slow flame 6 to 7 whistle till the mutton get tender. Wait till all steam come out and then open the lid. And here I have added around 2 teaspoons of cream in the korma for some creamish texture, and our mutton korma is ready to serve. Believe me, it's too yummy and tasty. Please try it and let me know how is that. You can have with roti, chapati, naan, kulcha, or with rice too, it goes well. Now I am preparing kebabs. This time I have taken beef minced meat. You can make with mutton meat too. I have taken around 200 grams of minced meat, one small ginger and garlic paste each, one medium size onion cut into small pieces, and one medium size onion cut into small pieces and then deep fried, and add into it 2 big tablespoon besan or gram flour. Dry roast properly till it light brown in color. One small green chilies chopped into small pieces, and few coriander leaves chopped too and add. And for spices I added half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, salt as per taste, half teaspoon zira powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, few kasuri methi, 1 lemon juice, or you can switch it with 1 teaspoon amchur powder too. Now mixed all the ingredients properly with the hands to make a dough-like consistency, and then make small balls and give the shape of kebabs. Add more gram flour if needed. I made around 15 to 16 kebabs. Some I used directly and few I kept in freezer to use it later. Now just deep fry these kebabs in medium flame. Serve it with green coriander chutney and onion too. For now, hope you liked and enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for another recipes video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.